Hi, this is Mike Andrade for BreakingCall.com. It is June 3rd after market close, and we are going to look at the technicals in the Japanese market, which has been a major topic of conversation. The recent sell-off in the Japanese indexes has the talking heads starting to hype the long side, but it is still too soon to say whether we have only a quote normal correction underway or a change in trend. This market rallied over 70% in 6 months, and the history of that kind of rally is not encouraging for long-term investors. We need to see how the next rally attempt behaves and watch support carefully before getting aggressive on the long side. Let's look first at the Japanese index ETF, symbol EWJ. The weekly chart back to the 2007 high shows us that the issue is still in a long-term downtrend. The most recent rally, although impressive and well covered in the media, essentially failed at downtrend resistance and the 61.8% retracement of the entire range from 2007 high to the 2009 low. Volatility spiked, and the stock then dropped sharply from major resistance, telling us that there is a lot of work to do for the EWJ to convincingly change the long-term trend. We need to see closes above about 1250 to set up a challenge of prior highs. The EWJ daily chart shows us significant technical damage after a big gap down off the top. Important trend support is now in the 1050 area. Critical support is in the area of the 200-day moving average, which is in the $10 to $10.15 area. Let's now look at Toyota Motors, symbol TM, which has been getting a lot of bullish attention from the media. The monthly chart shows Toyota regaining most of the ground lost off the 2007 all-time high, and very little sell-off so far. The easy money may have been made here, and the risk is elevated at these levels in the absence of a pullback. Looking at the daily chart in Toyota, the recent sell-off is still a normal correction, and the trend is intact. The risk-reward is favorable on a retest of the $111 area, but I would use stops near 105. A break of about 99.50 in Toyota would signal a significant correction or possible trend change. Thanks for watching, and visit us often at BreakingCall.com.